It's everywhere. The outrage, the division, the whiplash of hot takes social media promised connection. But for many, it's become a factory of anxiety, anger, and injustice. Algorithm push us apart. Echo chambers radicalize, lies spread faster than truth. This is not accidental. It's designed this way. But what if we could redesign it, not with Silicon Valley's engagement at all cost mindset, but with justice as the core principle, justice straight from Quran. Welcome, I am Adil Rahim. This series is about solving modern crises using an unexpected pairing, Quran wisdom and human-centered design, HCD. How do we build systems that truly serve human dignity, fairness, and well-being? The Quran provides the ultimate ethical blueprint. Today, social media. We will critique its failure through the lens of Surah Al-Hujurat and redesign it using prophetic justice. Let's diagnose why social media breeds injustice. Algorithm bias. It amplifies extreme content because outrage, clicks, truth, and non-slows. Opaque moderation. Bans feel arbitrary. Appeals are labyrinths, no transparency. Design for conflict. Code tweets dunking, comment section are battlegrounds, no tools for repair. This violates core Quranic principles, especially Surah Al-Hujurat. Surah Al-Hujurat gives a masterclass in just communication for a community. Verify information.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن جاءكم فاسق بنبأ فتبينوا أن تصيبوا قوما بجهالة فتصبحوا على ما فعلتم نادمين.
O you who have believed, if there comes to you a disobedient one with information, investigate, lest you harm a people out of ignorance and become over what you have done regretful. Stop mockery and backbiting.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا يسخر قوم من قوم عسى أن يكونوا خيرا منهم ولا نساء من نساء عسى أن يكن خيرا منهن ولا تلمزوا أنفسكم ولا تنابزوا بالألقاب بئس الاسم الفسوق بعد الإيمان ومن لم يتب فأولئك هم الظالمون.
O you who have believed, do not let some people mock others. Perhaps they may be better than them, nor let women ridicule other women. Perhaps they may be better than them, and do not insult one another and do not call each other by offensive nicknames. Wretched is the name of disobedience after one's faith. And whoever does not repair, then it is those who are the wrongdoers.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اجتنبوا كثيرا من الظن إن بعض الظن إثم ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم.
O you who have believed, avoid much negative assumption. Indeed, some assumptions is sin, and do not spy or backbite each other. Would one of you like to eat the flesh of his brother when dead? You would detest it and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is accepting of repentance and merciful. Reconcile believers.
وإن طائفتان من المؤمنين اقتتلوا فأصلحوا بينهما فإن بغت إحداهما على الأخرى فقاتلوا التي تبغي حتى تفيء إلى أمر الله فإن فاءت فأصلحوا بينهما بالعدل واقسطوا إن الله يحب المقسطين.
And if two groups of the believers fight each other, then make peace between them. But if one of them transgresses against the other, then fight against the one, that transgressor, until it returns to the command of Allah. And if it return, then make peace between them in justice and act justly. Indeed, Allah loves those who act justly. So, where is the make peace button on social media platforms? This is not just etiquette, it's systemic design. Justice requires structures enabling truth, dignity, and reconciliation.
With this new update, you can now seamlessly switch between your accounts and manage all your settings in one place.
So, how we rebuild? Applying HCD anchored in Surah Al Hujurat. Principle number 1, verification by design. Before sharing viral news, users see source unverified. Check these trusted fact checks with links. Reward truth. Algorithm boost content from user with high accuracy scores. Principle 2, dignity and anti-harassment cards like Surah Al-Hujurat, ayat number 11 and 12, flags, mocking, derogatory language before posting. This resembles backbiting rephrase. Empathy mode, option to blur aggressive comments with a warning, content may harm dignity, show anyway. Principle 3, conflict resolution pathways. According to Surah Al-Hujurat, ayat number 9, seek reconciliation button in heated threads users can trigger. Step 1, pause comments, temperature cooling off period. Step 2, required mediator, trained community moderators facilitate dialogue. Step 3, joint statement tool, help parties draft a resolution. Justice dashboard, transparent reporting metrics. Your report was reviewed by under guideline 4.2 appeal outcome 3 days.
We're We're transforming digital chaos into calm, structured interaction. Notice the clarity in this redesigned dialogue.
This is not about censorship or just being nice. It's structural justice. Transparency replaces arbitrary power. Accountability is built in. Restorative practices replace punishment loops. The Quran does not just say don't backbite, it gives us tools to design systems where backbiting is harder to do and easier to repair. That's human centered design powered by divine ethics. Imagine platform design not to addict us, but to uplift us, to foster knowing one another, not fighting one another. This is possible. Demand it, build it, support ethical tech. Next episode, we tackle the gig economy, how profit shapes call for full measure and justice weight, exposes exploitative apps, and how we can design fair platforms. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, let me know in the comments which Quranic principles should tech embrace next.